Well, the key would be, let's say that it was even 100,000 cars a year. I mean, the Model 3, I think, and you could do it in all three factories. Well, two, they're only making it in two factories. You could potentially add it to Berlin. But the idea would be just to hit that TAM on a sedan, and also introduce just that many more cars, getting bought.
Yeah, so, the Camry sells 309,000 units now. It's the size of a Model 3.
Okay.
The Civic sells 242,000 units, and the Corolla sells 283,000 units, and the Nissan Sentra sells 150,000 units. I mean, these are very small numbers.
Well, but you add that up, that's 800. It's not like 800, 900,000.
Yeah, but you're not going to replace all 800.
No, just 25%. Anyway, I'm just throwing out an idea that if the Model
Look, here's the reality.
Yes.
Here's the reality.
Okay, all right.
If all of this were possible,
Uh-huh.
Elon would have done it 4 years ago. 4 years ago, and I was thinking about this yesterday,
Okay.
Elon Musk made the decision that there was no future in trying to be a car company because autonomy would end car companies.
Right.
And having made that decision, he stood in opposition to his entire management team that wanted to do all the stuff you're talking about now,
Mhm.
and that was going to do that in our minds. I mean, 3 years ago, I did a projection, and I was projecting up to 30 million cars sold a year, blah, blah, blah.
Mhm. Yeah.
And I was working on all the different models they would use and all the factories they would. That Elon said 3 years ago, or whatever it was, that's it. We're not going to be a car manufacturing company.
Right.
We are going to be an autonomous vehicle company. We're going to be full service autonomous company.
Right.
And so for that, you don't need 15 models or 13 models or 5 models or 4 models, 6 models. You don't need to fill this niche with 100,000 cars, that niche with 200,000 cars, that niche with 400,000 cars. You don't need that.
All right.
And so he's not going to do it.
Okay. So now, because I brought that up to a couple of other co-hosts last week, and I said by 2028, Tesla won't be selling cars to consumers anymore.
I agree with that.
Oh, okay.
I agree with that.
Yeah.
I mean, Tesla will be providing cars for car fleets.
Right.
And whether they own the fleet or XYZ owns the fleet or individuals own small fleets, I don't know. And I don't know how this model is going to evolve. But as far as Elon is concerned, his car ownership is, it's all over.
It's passé. Yeah. Okay.
Now, the Roadster will be made for car owners.
Right.
And the Cybertruck will be made for car owners.
Mm-hmm.
But Y3, X, S, that's over. There's going to be a Robovan, there's going to be a Cybercab, and then maybe a larger scale, SUV scale. I don't know.
Right.
I really don't know.
Yeah.
The cost of running the Robovan may be such that they can use that for 4 or 5, passengers or whatever.
Right.
So I really think all of this conversation, which is driven by nerves, they need to sell more cars. I think all of this conversation is moot.
Okay. Well, there you go. So I should have asked you first, and I wouldn't have had to ask anybody else.
No, I could be wrong.
No.
I could be wrong. They could all be right. Everybody else could be right, and I could be wrong. And hey, that's, you can't read the mind. And Tesla are famous for keeping stiff lips.
Yeah. If you happen to be a big fan of the Cybertruck, you might also be interested in this super fun Cybertruck refrigerator magnet and bottle opener. It is made out of super thick stainless steel, just like the Cybertruck, and it has this giant magnet on the back, so it's going to hold a lot of stuff on your refrigerator. It's an amazing gift, and it comes in that great gift box that you saw before that uses a magnet opener, just almost like an Apple box, like when you get Apple products. You can buy it on Amazon for $29.95, or you can buy it direct from me by sending $25 to paypal.me/Randy Kirk, all in lowercase letters. Please indicate whether you want the stainless steel look, or maybe you'd like to have this very clever camo version. And then if you're not in the US, please add $20 for freight. If you'd like more than one, please check the information below to get pricing, as well as all that information I just told you will be repeated in the information below. So once again, think about joining the channel, getting the up-to-date Tesla news every single day. I think you'll be glad you did.